Welcome to handling touch events in React Natives. After watching this video, you will be able to explain touch events, describe how React Native handles touch events, and discuss the different types of touch events that React Native can handle. Today, most mobile device users interact with their devices primarily through touch. Smart devices are designed to be highly responsive to touch, whether it's swiping to unlock the phone, tapping to accept or decline a call, checking your pulse reading, tapping the microphone icon to talk on social networking apps, double tapping to like a photo on social media, or pinching to zoom in or out on media. These interactions are fundamental to smart device engagement. React Native facilitates these touch interactions by providing a set of components and APIs specifically designed to manage them. Let's dive deeper to understand how React Native handles touch events. React Native offers a basic button where the onPress event is triggered when the button is touched. Let's look at an example where pressing the button changes the text. There's no need for an additional library to manage the button press. This functionality is built into the button. However, if the basic button doesn't meet your needs, React Native offers Touchables. Touchables is an umbrella term for several touchable components available in React Native, including Touchable Highlight, Touchable Opacity, Touchable Native Feedback, and Touchable Without Feedback. Touchable Highlight can replace a button or link where the background darkens when the user presses it. Touchable Opacity allows you to change the button's opacity, revealing the background when pressed. Touchable Native Feedback is available only on Android and triggers a ripple effect when you press the button. Use Touchable Without Feedback when you want to handle the tap gesture without displaying any visual feedback. While this might seem similar to a basic button, Touchable Without Feedback offers far greater customization than the basic button, which has limited styling options and adheres to platform-specific button styles. Now, let's learn about the different types of touch events in React Native. OnPress is an event triggered when a user presses and releases a touchable component. OnLongPress is activated by default when a user presses and holds a button for over half a second. You can extend the duration by setting the delay long press property in milliseconds. For example, the event will trigger in this code if you press the button for 2 seconds. OnPressin is an event that occurs immediately after the user presses the button and starts before the onPress event. You can use it with any touchable component, and it is ideal for actions that require instant feedback, such as visual cues or starting an animation when the component is touched. Next, onPressOut is triggered when the user releases the button, starting after the onPress event. It's useful for actions that should happen after the user lifts their finger, such as resetting styles or completing interactions. Next, let's discuss PanResponder in React Native. PanResponder is a more advanced library for handling complex gestures like dragging, swiping, or multi-touch interactions. It is beneficial for implementing drag and drop functionality, swipe actions, and other intricate gesture-based features. PanResponder works with several key events, such as onResponderGrant, onResponderMove, onResponderRelease, onResponderTerminate, and onStartShould-SetResponder. The onResponderGrant event is triggered when a component becomes the responder and takes control of touch events. The onResponderMove event occurs when the user moves their finger after the component has taken control of the touch events. OnResponderRelease gets activated when the user releases their touch after the component has become the responder. The onResponderTerminate event gets triggered when the component loses control of the touch events, typically because another component takes over, or due to a system event like a phone call. However, onStartShould-SetResponder determines whether the component should respond to a touch event. Returning true allows the component to take control of the touch events. PanResponder is widely used in applications like Google and Apple Maps, and games like Fruit Ninja to manage complex touch interactions. In this video, you learned that React Native offers a basic button triggering the onPress event when the button is touched. It also provides Touchables, a set of components that handle touch interactions. Touchables offer different visual feedback and customization options for user interaction. React Native offers touch events such as the onPress, onLongPress, onPressin, and onPressOut events. React Native is equipped with PanResponder, a more advanced library for handling complex gestures like dragging, swiping, or multi-touch interactions.